teacher.
How are you, Jack?
I'm fine.
Oh, it's nice to see you again, but I still can't see you. What happened to you?
I I didn't fix my camera.
Mm-hmm. Is there still a problem with your camera?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay as long as I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, that's nice. How are you, my Jack?
What? Can
How are
you
you?
say again? I'm fine.
Oh, it's nice to know. Did you eat your dinner already?
Yes, I'm already eat my dinner.
Wow, that's nice. What did you eat?
Eat rice with soup.
You had soup?
Yes.
What kind of soup did you had?
Um. Vegetable.
Vegetable soup. Oh, that's nice. It's very healthy. Am I
Yes.
right? Is it healthy? Because it's
Yes.
a vegetable soup.
Yes.
Yes. All right. How about your homework? What happened?
Homework.
Yes.
Uh, not
I said last time that
what
you will submit your homework before Wednesday. Mhm.
didn't give me my homework.
Oh, I thought you remind your mom. You forgot also?
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's okay. I will remind again later at the group chat about your homework. Okay? Yes. It's about the map. I will remind it again later. Okay. Are you feeling better? What did you do today?
Feel happy
Ooh, what makes you happy, Jack?
because um as today I had um, ice cream to eat.
Ooh, you ate ice cream.
Yes.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Oh, is it your favorite?
Yes. It's my favorite ice cream is um,
What is your favorite flavor of the ice cream?
watermelon ice cream.
Watermelon ice cream.
Yes.
Oh, is it delicious?
Yes, it's very delicious.
Wow, that's nice to know. That's nice. Why watermelon ice cream is your favorite?
Mm. Um, I only
What is the reason why it became your favorite?
it's summer.
It's summer. Yes. It's summer right now in Vietnam.
Yes, it's
Oh.
summer in No.
Oh, okay. But even though it's not summer, does watermelon ice cream is still your favorite?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. You don't get cold if you eat too much ice cream?
Yes.
You don't
Mm,
get cold?
like it in fall.
Mm.
I like it. I eat ice cream in fall.
Again?
I like it ice cream in fall.
Cone.
Fall.
Oh, you mean you like eating ice cream?
Yes, in
Oh,
fall.
can you say it? I like eating ice cream
I like eating ice cream in fall.
in home.
Fall.
Okay. Maybe you can say it at home. At
Um,
home. You mean home?
it's
Home.
a weather, and I weather fall.
Oh, okay.
It's
Okay. Mm-hmm.
warm.
Okay. It's okay. Sometimes I like eating ice cream too, especially if the weather is too hot. Yeah. But aside of ice cream, do you still have other favorites?
It's badminton. Stop
Badminton.
badminton.
Mm-hmm. You like playing badminton.
Yes.
Oh,
I
are you an athlete at school? Are
no.
you? Oh, it's okay. That's good. It's like what do you call it? Mm, it makes you fit and healthy. It helps you be healthy playing badminton. It's like an exercise. Do you do you play badminton every day?
No, sometimes I don't play badminton.
Mm-hmm. So you play badminton with your cousin, right?
Yes.
Is your cousin a boy or a girl?
My cousin
Yeah?
Yeah. Is boy and girl.
Oh, so you have a cousin, boy
Boy,
and girl.
only
Oh,
boy.
only boy?
Yes.
Oh, so what's the name of your cousin?
One. Huh? One.
Again?
One.
Oh,
It's
okay.
in Vietnam.
Oh, it's Vietnam name. Okay, that's okay. So are you ready for our class?
Yes, I'm already.
Okay, so we will start. So let me share my screen to you. Do you still remember our class last time?
The earth
Oh, so
it's
it's
a
about
map.
in the map, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. So we will continue our lesson on slide
Um,
17. So listen again and complete the sentences with the reason or because. So you know how to use the reason and
oh, I
because.
love how to use reason.
Mm-hmm. You said last time you forgot. Do you know how to use
Yes.
reason?
No.
Okay, so let me give some explanation about it. How to use reason.
Yes.
Okay, so reason is, it means why something happens, or it is the cause of something. Just like you said earlier, why are you happy? Because you ate your favorite ice cream.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Do you get it now?
Yes.
Uh-huh. And because is, do you know what is because?
Yes.
Can you tell me what is because?
Because is the answer for why.
Yes,
Why?
yes, very good. It is, or it tells us why. It is used to give a reason. Okay, do you
Okay.
understand now?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so let's continue our class. Okay, whoops.
I see all the answer.
Yeah, I don't know what happened, but all the answers showed up. Okay, let me repeat it.
Wait.
Okay, lesson 4. Okay, do you still see my screen? I forgot all the answers showed up. Do you still remember the answers? Oh, why it's not working? Oh, do you see my screen?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So let's forward on slide 17. It's too far. Okay, bear with me, Jack. Are you excited?
We do it again.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, we will continue, but I just need to start from the top. Okay, here it is. Oops. Okay. Oh, the answer is still showing up. It keeps showing up. I don't know why. But we will read this one. We will only read this one because the answer showed up. Can you hear anything?
Yes, I can.
Hmm. Okay. We will have to hear the sound. You have to listen, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Speaking, Part 2. Exercise 1.
Do you like going to the shopping centre?
No, I don't.
Why not?
I don't like shopping centres because I don't like shopping. What about you?
I love going to them.
Why?
The reason I love them is that I often meet my friends there.
Do you like going to the sports stadium?
No, I don't.
Why not?
I don't go to the stadium because I'm not really interested in sport.
Okay. Did you hear all of it? Did you hear it
Yes.
well? Okay. So right now, if the answers didn't show up, I will have you to answer all of this, but the answers keep showing up. That's why we will read this only. Can you read this? All of it?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't like shopping centers because I don't like shopping. The
Okay.
reason I love them is that I often meet my friends there. I
There.
don't go to the stadium because I'm not really interested in sport.
Okay. It is an example of a sentence with the reason or because. Do you notice something in here? Number one, what did you notice on number one?
Number one,
Yes. What have you noticed on this sentence?
I know. Don't know kung ano.
Mm-hmm. Why the boy or the girl didn't like shopping centers?
The girl.
Yes.
The girl
Why?
like. Because she don't like shopping.
Because?
She don't like shopping.
Yes. So how about the sentence number one? What is the reason why we use this because?
Mm, because it's the answer for why.
Mm-hmm. So we say earlier that we are using because to tell us why. Okay. So we use because just to tell us why. And why sentence number one don't like shopping centers? What is the reason? Why the girl don't like shopping centers? Can you see what is the
Because
reason? Okay.
because she don't like shopping.
Yes, very good. That is the reason why the girl don't like shopping centers. Because the girl didn't like shopping. Okay. Do you have a question?
No,
Okay. So what have you noticed on sentence number two?
the boy say the reason he love love
Love?
shopping
Oh,
because
yes.
um he often meets his friend there.
Yes. So the boy loves, oh, I mean, the boy loved them is that the boy often meet his friends there. Okay. Mhm. Do you see it? Can you see
Yes,
this? Okay. So why are we or when are we using the reason? What is the reason again? The reason is used or it means why something happened. So why does the boy loves shopping centers?
because he loved them is that he often meets uh, his friends there.
Yes, very good. You are right. How about sentence number three? What have you noticed?
Mm, I know the boy don't go to the stadium because he don't really like interest
Mhm.
in sport.
Interested in
Sport.
sport. Can you say it? Sport.
Sport.
Yes, okay. So, what have you noticed? Where is the because that's telling us why? It's in inside the sentence, right? Or in between.
Mm.
Yes. Clause
Because
number. Mhm.
because it's
Because
mm, it's answer for we don't like.
yes, because when we use because, it means we are answering or we are telling why. Okay? So what is the reason why I don't go to the stadium? Because
Because I'm not really interested in sports.
in sports. Okay, very good. So you understand it now or you have any question about it? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed. We are here in exercise number 2. Rewrite the sentences using because or the reason. Okay?
Okay.
Mhm. Can you read the first sentence?
I like going to the museum because I'm interested in history. The reason I like going to the museum is that I'm interested in history.
Okay, thank you so much, Jack. So we are going to rewrite the sentences, okay? So have you noticed the sentence number 1 said, I like going to museums because I'm interested in history. Okay? So this blue one also said the same thing, but this one is already rephrased. Mhm. They use or it uses the reason first, and it tells is that, and that is the reason or because. Do you get? Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay. So can you rephrase or can you rewrite the sentence number 2? Can you do it like sentence number 1?
Yes.
Okay.
I
You do it.
hate I hate beach because I don't
You will
like.
read this one first.
The reason I hate the beach is that I don't like sand.
Okay. So can you rewrite it?
I hate beach because I don't like sand.
Okay. So let's see. Wow, you did a great job. You got it right. I hate the
Because
beach because I don't like sun. Yes, that's correct, Jack. Very good. How about number 3? Sentence number 3. Can you rewrite it?
no balapata. I don't like
Mhm.
museums because they are boring.
Yes. How about the rewrite one?
The reason I don't like museum um museum is that uh, that is that it's boring.
Okay. So let's see if that's correct. Yes,
Oh.
very good. You used this one. You used the reason and is that. But you said it's, but they are. Okay, you have to replace it with they are instead of it's. Boring. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so can you read it again?
The reason I don't like museums is that they are boring.
They are boring. Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Jack. So let's continue. Oh, maybe we will continue this one on our next class. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, so just be reminded about your,
My homework?
yes, you remembered it.
Yes, my mother said you didn't give the homework.
I sent it on our group chat, but I will bump it later so your mom can see it. Okay? Okay, so we will stop here. How are you feeling about our class tonight?
It's good.
It's good. Did you enjoy?
Yes, I enjoy.
Okay. So I wish you will enjoy also your assignment because it was related on our class last time. Okay.
And
Okay. So why are you laughing? Are you that happy?
Yes,
Wow. Are you with someone right now?
yes.
Okay. Maybe that's why you're happy because we will end our class already. Okay, Jack. Thank you so much. See you on our next class. It's on Friday. Bye, Jack.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take
Bye bye.
care.